how a life and AD&D attorney can use the carrier plan's specific internal rules, guidelines, protocols, and standards that they relied on in denying your claim to overcome a wrongful claim denial. Now look, life and AD&D carriers and plans all have internal rules and guidelines, protocols, standards, and other criteria that they use for how to determine if there is a policy exclusion that is going to be used as a weapon to deny a claim. Now, there are many types of exclusions. There can be exclusions for pre-existing conditions, exclusions for the use of alcohol, drugs, or other substances. There are exclusions for suicide or other intentional injuries. And so one of the things that we need to understand if we get a claim denial is to understand the rules that they're using as tools for claims denials. So we always ask ourselves, look, we want the claims file, but we also, by the way, want any specific internal rules, guidelines, protocols, standards, or stuff that you used in coming up to this conclusion to deny the claim. And we want that because it's going to provide us insight into the carrier or plan's thinking, or lack thereof. These internal rules tell the claims adjuster how to think about the claim and how to analyze the claim. The carriers have guidelines about how they're going to analyze and apply medical conditions, such as psychiatric conditions, that can be the basis of a claims denial if there is an allegation that your loved one overdosed because of depression or they committed suicide for whatever reason. It's really crucial that you get the claims file, get any guidelines, and take this all apart, looking at allegedly the internal guidelines, how they applied the guidelines, what medical information they used, what statements they relied on, so how they put this all together. We want to turn this around and use their own internal rules, guidelines, protocols, standards, or similar criteria and say, you misapplied these, you were wrong, let's pay benefits. You can see that taking these carriers on or plans on really requires someone who understands how carriers think and their motivations. If you have any questions, give us a call at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. 727-894-3188.